Good morning, children. Today we will be starting with our exercise 2.1, question number 6. And in the last video, I have explained exercise 2.2, 2.1 till question number 5, I think so. And question number 6, from question number 6, it was remaining. And in the last video, I have explained tabulation method. So today we will be continuing with exercise 2.1, question number 6. So let's start with our sum. So sixth question. So I will be reading the question. The question is, obtain an inclusive continuous frequency distribution from the following data. And in that, lower boundary point is given and cumulative frequency is given. Let's start with that. So this is our question. So first what we have to do, you have to find an inclusive continuous frequency distribution. For that you have to find your lower limit and upper limit, right? What is the formula of lower limit? Lower limit equal to mid value minus class length upon 2, right? This is the formula of lower limit. So first you have to find. First you have to find your class. So with the help of your low boundary point and CFI, we will be finding our class. So what will be our class? Our class is 44.5 to 49.5. Right? So this is our class. Now you have to make your exclusive class into inclusive class. This is your exclusive class. Now, according to our question, what you have to make? You have to make an inclusive class. So I told you what you have to do first. Inclusive class means here you have to do plus 0.5 and here you have to do minus 0.5, right? So 44.5 plus 0.5 is 45 and 49.5 minus 0.5 is 49. Then here also plus 0.5 and minus 0.5. That comes to 52 and here minus 0.5. That is 52. Right? So this is the way how you have to find your exclusive class into inclusive class. When exclusive is given and that also in decimal. So this is the way how you have to find your exclusive into inclusive. Means here, see, you can see here clearly that your class length is 5, right? Class length is equal. So after finding your first class, you can do one thing. You can directly add 5, 5. Like this you can find, see, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, then 75. Here also 5, 5 you can add, 59, 64, 69, 74, 79. So this is the easier way that you can find. Okay. Or if you are finding horizontally, then that will be much more clearer for you. If in inclusive type, if you are counting, if you are seeing your class length also in this way, then you will not get correct class length. Okay. So it's always better to find in a horizontal way so that you can be getting your class length easily. See, ऐसे देखने से डायरेक्टली समझ में आ जा रहा है कि हमारा 5 का डिस्टेंस है ना. ऐसे देखोगे तो 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 45 भी इंक्लूड करना है, 49 भी इंक्लूड करना है इसमें. इससे बेहतर है ऐसे ही देख लो. So it will be the first sight only it is clear that your class length is 5, right? This is the way how you have to find your class length. Now you have to find your frequency. So what is it, how to find your frequency? So first is 500, second is 470. So what you have to do is 450 minus 500 minus 470. So frequency is, first is 500 minus 470, that is 30. Then 470 minus 390, that is 80. Then 390 minus 290, 100. 290 minus 240, 50. 240 minus 90, 150. 90 minus 10, 80. 10 minus 0, 10. Okay. So your total is 500. So this is the way how you have to find your inclusive class. In this question, lower boundary point and CFI was given, and it is told you to find out an inclusive frequency distribution. So first, with the help of this lower boundary point, you found the exclusive class. So इससे exclusive class ही मिलेगा क्योंकि ये point पे है ना. So exclusive class. So with the help of this exclusive class, you found the inclusive class, and after finding the inclusive class, you found the frequency. So this is the way how you have to solve the sum, right? So this is the solution of your sixth question. Now let's see our seventh sum. So the seventh question is, obtain an exclusive continuous frequency distribution from the following data. Here less than is given and cumulative frequency is given. So what you have to find? You have to find an exclusive continuous frequency distribution. So first you have to find your exclusive class. So what is your exclusive class? 30 to 35. Right? So this is the less than class it is given and CFI was given. Then you have to find an exclusive class. So this is your exclusive class. See here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are there. But always remember your class. If you are finding from this boundary points, if you are finding your class, then the class will be one less. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, here 9 and here 8, एक कम ही मिलेगा हमेशा. हमेशा कभी ये मत सोचना कि यहाँ पे भी 9 है तो यहाँ पे भी 9 ही होगा. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. लेस देन टाइप जब भी दिया होगा तभी, राइट. Now you have to find your frequency. So 17 minus 0 is 17. Then 25 minus 17 is 8. Then 40 minus 25 is 15. 48 minus 48. 54 minus 48 is कितना आएगा? 56 नहीं, 6. Then 54 minus 57 minus 54, 3. Then 59 minus 57, 2. 60 minus 59, 1. The total always you have to do comes to 60. Right? So this is the way how you have to find your seventh sum. Okay. So now let's see our eighth question. In eighth question, mid value is given, frequency is given, and class length is given. You have to obtain the original frequency distribution. Original frequency distribution, I told you that what does it mean? It means you have to find a class. Okay, so let's start. So this is your question. So what you have to find? You have to find with the help of the mid value and class. What you have to find? Original class. That means class length is given and mid value is given. So class, it is, they said that you have to find an original frequency distribution. It is not mentioned that whether it should be an inclusive or exclusive. So you can find any class, any type of class. So here, what is the formula of lower limit? Mid value minus class length upon 2. So here first mid value is 25 minus 50 upon 2. That is 25 minus 25, that comes to 0. Right? Now your upper limit. Mid value plus class length upon 2. 25 plus 50 upon 2. 25 plus 25, that is 50. Okay, so this is your first class, right? This is your first class because we have taken the mid value of first class and the first mid value and first class length we have taken. So this is our first class. So our first class is 0 to 50, right? 0 to 50, right? Now they have not told us that you have to find an inclusive or exclusive. So whenever it is not given, so we will always go for an exclusive class. So we will repeat 50 over here. Then we have to add class length होगा तो वो difference find करते हैं ना, तो यहाँ पहले से class length दे दिया है. So 50 plus, see, 50 plus 110. So this class length you have to add. So this comes to 160. Got it? Then again you have to repeat this one 160, then 160 plus ये जो क्लास लेंथ दिया है वो 160 plus 140 तो क्या आएगा 300. Understood? Then 300 plus 200 500. Then 500 plus 300 800. 800 plus 200 1000. Right? So this is the way how you have to find your class. Okay, so this is the way how you have to find the class. So first we have shown the calculations. Calculation for the first sum, first class का calculation हमने दिखाया, right? After that what you have to do, after finding the first class, simply you have to see here 0 to 50 you got, then ये 50 को यहाँ repeat करना है, उसके बाद ये class length को 1 by 1 add करते जाना. So 50 plus 110 is 160, then 160 you will be repeating here, then 160 plus this 140 you have to add, that comes to 300, then 300 you have to repeat here, then 300 plus this 200 class length 500, तो 500 फिर से repeat हुआ, उसके बाद ये class length इसमें add किया तो क्या आ गया 800, तो 800 तो 500 to 800 class हुआ, फिर 800 को यहाँ फिर से repeat किया, उसके साथ ये 200 को add किया तो क्या है 1000. So this is the way how you have to find your class. Now frequency तो वही होगा जो दिया है, right? If in question cumulative frequency is given, then only you have to do the subtraction, है ना? Cumulative frequency दिया होगा तभी हमें frequency find करनी होती है. यहाँ पे तो already frequency ही दिया है. Original frequency, original क्या question में क्या था? Original distribution ना, original क्या बोला था इसमें? ओरिजिनल फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फाइंड करने को कहा था ना, तो ओरिजिनल फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मींस क्लास और फ्रीक्वेंसी दोनों दिखाना है तुमको, है ना? तो फ्रीक्वेंसी तो वही होगा, लेकिन क्लास हमने फाइंड किया वो प्लस ये फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 10 30 40 60 80 okay. So this is the way how you have to find your class and frequency. This is called an original frequency distribution. Okay, original frequency means to find class and frequency. Okay, now next question is your ninth one. See, ninth question is information regarding the number of accidents in a city during a year is as under. Find the inclusive continuous frequency distribution. Now you have to find an inclusive frequency distribution. So ninth sum, what do you have to find? You have to find an inclusive frequency distribution, and mid value is given and frequency is given. Right? So this is your question. So what you have to do? You have to find inclusive frequency distribution. So for that, what you have to find? You have to find your lower limit and upper limit. So mid value is 11.5 and class length. What is the class length? See, the difference is 10, right? So 10 upon 2. 6.5, right? 6.5 हो जाएगा तुम्हारा क्लास. Then the upper limit formula, upper limit is mid value plus class length upon 2. right? So this is your calculation. The first class is 6.5 to 16.5, right? Now, what you have to find? You have to find the uh, inclusive continuous frequency. Now, this is your exclusive. Now, you have to find your inclusive frequency. Inclusive plus, right? So, what I told you when doing the exclusive into inclusive at that time, plus 0.5 and minus 0.5. That comes to 7 to 16. Then 17 to 26. 27 to 36. 37 to 46. 7, 17, 27, 37, 47. Right? So this is your answer. Okay. And what is your frequency? Frequency will be the same only. This will be your frequency. This is your means with the help of this question, this mid value and frequency, what you got? You got the lower limit and upper limit. With the help of that, you got your first class, right? So this is your first class. So this class is in exclusive. So first you have to write the exclusive class. सिर्फ फर्स्ट क्लास फाइंड करना है, उसके बाद सिर्फ 10 ऐड करते जाना है, हॉरिजॉन्टली देखना है तुमको. 10 ऐड कर दिया, देखो 6.5 to 16.5, 16.5 I again you have to write here, then add 10, that is 26.5, then 26.5 to 36.5. वैसे तुमको एक्सक्लूसिव क्लास मिलेगा. फिर इसको इंक्लूसिव में करना है तो plus 0.5 here and minus 0.5 here. That comes to 7 to 16, 17 to 26, 27 to 36, 37 to 46, 47 to 50. So this is your solution of lines. Right? Now let's see our 10th. So the 10th question is, from the following data, obtain a class boundary point from the class limit and write the frequency distribution. Now you have to find the class boundary points. So this is your question. Class is given, classes 1 to 1.475, then 1.475 to 1. 975. So this is your class and this is your frequency. What you have to find? You have to find the obtain class boundary points. Boundary point means lower boundary point and upper boundary point, right? So so class length is given and frequency is given, and you have to find your boundary points. Yeah, right? So boundary points, for finding the boundary points, you have to find, you should have the, so what is the lower limit mid value minus class length upon 2. This is the formula of lower limit. So for that you should have your mid value and class length. So here, what is the mid value of first class? See, mid value of first class is 1 plus 1.475 divided by 2, that is 2.475 divided by 2, that comes to, see, 2.475 divided by 2, that is 1.2375. So 1.2375 minus, what is the class length? So the class length is, what is the class length? Class length is 0.5. 0.5 divided by 2, that comes to 1.2375 minus 0.25. तो ये हुआ तुम्हारा क्लास लेंथ, लोअर लिमिट, right? If you want, we can make the column also of mid value and class length. See, like this. Mid value is 1.2375. Like this, you have to make the column of mid value also. So second mid value क्या होगा? 1.5 plus 1.975 divided by 2. That is 1.375. 1.7375 means difference of 0.5, right? So again इसमें 0.5 ऐड करेंगे, 2.2375, then 2.7375, 3.2375, 3.7375. Then class length, what is the class length? 0.5. 0.5. So this is your class length, right? So with the help of mid value and class length, you can find the lower limit. Lower limit is mid value minus class length upon 2, that is 1.2375 minus 0.5 upon 2, 1.2375 minus 0.25, that is, see, we will do the calculation. 1.2375 minus 0.25, 0.9875. Now upper limit mid value plus class length upon 2, so that is 1.2375 plus 0.5 divided by 2, that is 1.2375 plus 0.25, 1.4875. तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्लास क्या बना? 0.9875 to 1.4875, राइट? ये हमारा फर्स्ट क्लास है. फिर से 1.4875, इसमें सिर्फ हमको 0.5 ऐड करना है, तो 1.9875. So like this you will be getting your class. So 1.9875 to 2.4875. 2.4875 to 2.9875. 2.9875 to 3.487. So this is the way how you have to find your class, right? क्वेश्चन में क्लास दिया था, फ्रीक्वेंसी दी थी, तो तो हमने उसमें से हमने मिड वैल्यू फाइंड आउट किया और क्लास लेंथ फाइंड किया। क्लास लेंथ कैसे फाइंड किया, देखो ऐसे डिफरेंस, ये दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना आता है 0.5, ये दोनों का डिफरेंस 0.5, राइट। फिर हमने फाइंड किया है मिड वैल्यू। मिड वैल्यू हाउ you are finding your mid value, lower limit plus upper limit. What is the formula of mid value? लोअर लिमिट प्लस अपर लिमिट डिवाइडेड बाय 2। तो यहाँ पर क्या था 1 प्लस 1.475 डिवाइडेड बाय 2। तो लाइक दिस यू गॉट योर मिड वैल्यू, दैट इज 12375, राइट। वैसे मिला है तुमको फर्स्ट मिड वैल्यू। आफ्टर गेटिंग द फर्स्ट मिड वैल्यू यू आर एडिंग योर क्लास लेंथ। इसमें सब क्लास लेंथ मींस इसमें सब प्लस 0.5 ऐड किया, प्लस 0.5, तो तुम्हें मिड वैल्यू मिला। सबके मिड वैल्यू क्लास लेंथ तो इक्वल है। फिर ये दोनों के बेसिस पे हमने क्या फाइंड किया है, लोअर लिमिट अपर लिमिट, right? So this is the solution of your 10th sum. So here I am ending my exercise 2.1. Now in the next video we'll be explaining exercise 2.2 and illustrations also, right? So okay, this much for today.